Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a quick weave installation. In a nutshell, here's what you need to install a quick weave. Weave extensions, human or synthetic hair, hair glue, protective wig cap, scissors, blow dryer, and molding gel. The process of doing a quick weave usually takes about 45 minutes. You don't have to know how to braid, and you don't need to know how to do much to it besides just gliding down some tracks. You can braid your hair into like 3 huge braids if you want to. Just let your hair back into a ponytail is totally up to you on what you want to do. So let's start off by just parting your hair, leaving out your leaf out and just braiding it to separate it from the rest. Then creating your first braid by just patting it down the middle, little slightly down the middle and brushing it. Then using your gotta be glue, the starting glue gel, and using it to slick your hair back. She actually put a lot in hair and just cornering it all the way back down. It's like the neck of your neck just to make sure it's out the way. Just doing a nice flat braid, and then you want to do the same thing on the left side or on the right side and to the back. So you are only going to be creating 3 large braids again. Go ahead and braid it out gel. Put a lot of gel. This will work as your protectant to make sure no glues get on your actual hair in case it slips through the stocking cap. You can do a small place. You can do a low sleeve ponytail, totally up to you. You're going to use your holding spray to spray the hair out of your hair. You want to put a lot of this on again. This works as your protectant. Next, put all your stuff in your grab chalk and cup, and then go ahead back with the holding spray. Be sure to tuck your braids so your little hand tongue braids underneath a stocking cap. Then go ahead with your holding spray and you're going to spray a whole lot of braids again. Now you're going to go ahead with your blow dryer and just blow it. Blow dry your entire head until it starts to get very stiff and taut and very taut coating. Now use your scissors and cut off the excess stocking cap. Then you're going in with your hair button glue first. You want to take the hair and you want to measure it. You can cut it back and then apply glue to it as you can see right now. Now you're going to place the weft on the back of your hair and work your way up to the top, and I'm going to blow dry the texture to make sure that it dries very well and does not slide off while you're going through the process of brushing. So each time I'm going to speed this part up completely because it's kind of the same steps, blow dry and it's going up at the sides. You can curve them so that the hair will fall more into your face. This hairstyle is very easy to style. You can do a quick weave with anything. Takes about 45 minutes, most, and that's what styling included. So now we are at the top of the hair, and we're going to cut this little part out so we can release the leaf out, and with this part, you're going to actually put this piece in. So you cut this little small and snap them. Cut that little small part, and then you're going to cut one more small part. It's just much easier for you to do it than just scrap in one kind of shape. All the way around now, you're taking these last few checks and bring it up to the very edge of the leaf out. Just so that's nice and flat. This is how your shoes look right now. When pull it back to the side, you can still see a little bit of your hair, and it still looks kind of natural right now.